Cooking enthusiasts and home chefs, prepare to elevate your culinary experience with the Caraway Enameled Cast Iron Braiser. This versatile, durable, and aesthetically stunning cookware is a must-have for anyone who loves braising, roasting, or slow-cooking hearty meals. If you're tired of complicated seasoning rituals or scrubbing stubborn food remnants from your cookware, the Caraway Braiser is about to become your new best friend. From its sleek design to its superior cooking capabilities, this 3.5-quart Braiser pan combines style with function in a way that's bound to transform your cooking routine. Here's why it should be at the top of your kitchen essentials list. Key features and benefits. Caraway's Enameled Cast Iron Braiser features a robust 3-layer enamel coating that ensures superior heat retention. This results in perfectly even cooking every time. Ideal for slow braising or searing your favorite meats and vegetables. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven heat distribution, just consistent, reliable cooking performance. Unlike traditional cast iron, the Caraway Cast Iron Braiser doesn't need to be seasoned. This means no hassle and no mess. The naturally slick, scratch-resistant surface is ready to use out of the box and will remain easy to clean and maintain for years to come. Whether you're cooking on induction, gas, or electric stovetops, the Caraway Braiser can handle it all. And with its oven-safe design up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can seamlessly move from stovetop to oven, making it perfect for a variety of recipes, from braising roasts to baking casseroles. The domed lid of this Braiser pan provides extra space, accommodating larger cuts of meat like roasts or whole chickens. If you love cooking for a crowd, this pan will be your go-to for family dinners or special occasions. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that the Caraway Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, or PFAS. Made from 50% recycled materials, this cookware is non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. With its naturally slick surface, cleanup is a breeze. Simply use soap, water, and a non-abrasive sponge. No more scrubbing away stubborn food residues. Additionally, Caraway backs its Braiser with a lifetime warranty, ensuring this pan will provide reliable service for generations. Who is this for? Home chefs and culinary enthusiasts. If you enjoy preparing gourmet meals from scratch or experimenting with different braising techniques, the Caraway Cast Iron Braiser is an essential addition to your kitchen. Busy families need to cook large meals efficiently? This Braiser is perfect for families who want to prepare satisfying, nutritious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Health-conscious cooks? If you prefer using cookware free of chemicals and toxins, the Caraway Braiser meets your standards. It's a safe, non-toxic option that allows you to cook with confidence. Why choose the Caraway Enameled Cast Iron Braiser? If you're in the market for high-performance cookware that's both beautiful and practical, the Caraway Braiser is a must-have. Not only does it provide exceptional cooking performance with even heat distribution, but it also offers the convenience of being low-maintenance and eco-friendly. Conclusion: in a world where quality cookware can make or break a meal, the Caraway Enameled Cast Iron Braiser stands out as a true kitchen essential. Its combination of durable, non-toxic materials, effortless maintenance, and exceptional cooking performance elevates it above traditional cast iron pans. Whether you're braising succulent meats, roasting vegetables, or simmering a hearty stew, this Braiser ensures perfectly even cooking every time. The 3-layer enamel coating guarantees heat retention and prevents hot spots, while the domed lid offers extra room for larger cuts, making it the perfect choice for family-sized meals or special occasions. What's more, the Caraway Braiser is compatible with all stovetops and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility and versatility in the kitchen. Its non-stick surface means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. For those who prioritize sustainability, this pan is crafted with 50% recycled materials and is free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, so you can feel good about what you're cooking with. Its lifetime warranty adds a level of reassurance, knowing this investment will serve you well for years to come. So, if you're looking to upgrade your cookware collection with a pan that blends form, function, and sustainability, the Caraway Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is the ultimate choice. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.